Hi guys, I'm Heather Gill, local realtor with eXp Realty here in the Dallas area, and I am talking today with Mr. Monty Feltz. He's with the Hallisan Group with Cross Country Mortgage. Monty, we had a question come in to texaselder.care, and I felt like you were a great person to talk to about this. The question is this. So we have, can I refinance and put my son or daughter on my loan? What do you think about this?
Yeah, good question. I see why that would be asked. We get that question quite a bit, especially in the elderly population, thinking about passing the house down to the next generation.
Right.
Could I just do a refinance right now and get them on the loan? You definitely can. It's called a non-occupying co-borrower. It's what you do, so it doesn't become their primary residence necessarily. It's still your primary residence, but you can put them on the loan if you want to.
Okay.
The thing to think about, though, I don't know if you've studied any of Dave Ramsey's line of thinking, but he's big on this, that you should never deed a home over to your son or daughter before you pass away, because they're going to be taxed then on the capital gains, whatever you bought it for, versus when you pass, when they take that property over. So I'll give you a simple example he uses in one of his books. Couple buys a house, $13,000 in 1963.
Right.
They pass this year. They leave that home. It's now worth $400,000 to their son or daughter. They are going to be taxed then on the current value, $400,000 only. They're not going to be taxed on the $387,000 gain.
Oh, wow.
Versus if they think, I'm going to get smart here and I'm going to deed this over because I can tell my time here is short to my son or daughter, and now they own that property. When that person passes, they're going to pay tax on that $387,000 gain. So something to think about. Definitely get with Jenna on that. She's going to know that from a legal perspective, but just, yes, you can refinance them onto the loan, but consult first before you do that, just to make sure it makes the most sense.
No, absolutely. Having a strategy ahead of time instead of having to figure it out after the fact is way better.
Yes.
Absolutely agree with that. Well, obviously you can tell Monty knows his stuff. He knows what he's talking about. And if you have other questions along this line, or just anything related to mortgage and that sort of thing, you can reach him at the information here on the screen. He's got his office number and an email address. So reach out, ask away. He's happy to help with that.
Yep. Thank you.
All right, Monty, appreciate your time.
Absolutely.
All right.